Hi friends, I hope you are quite well. Very trouble with my website issues last 4 or 5 days, but don't worry, I have extract direct download link in description, so I will show you. Here is my videos, and you click any video. For example, I click here. My internet speed is slow, so I pause this and see more. Show more, and you see here drive link. This link is my website, and here is direct link in drive. So you click here, fitness stories, and you see here, and you can download it. I hope you're happy, so subscribe me. Take care, I love this.